Hello to my viewers. Today's topic is about variable separable. This topic is under the differential equations. This maths is intended to the students who are majoring in mathematics and engineering students. So I have here number 1, alpha d beta plus beta d alpha plus alpha beta, circle brackets, the alpha plus the beta is equals to 0. So I need to separate the variables. So need to divide by everything by alpha and beta. This one also. Alpha, beta. So first, I need to divide this one. So this will be alpha d beta divided by alpha d, alpha beta in here, then plus beta d alpha divided by alpha d beta. By the way, this is the Greek letters. So alpha means letter A, then beta is letter B. Okay? So that's why I wrote first alpha, then beta. Then plus, the third will be alpha beta, the alpha plus the beta divided by alpha, the beta, alpha and beta. So this will be 0 divided by alpha beta, that will be 0. Then this will be crossed out. So I have here, the first fraction will be d beta over beta. Plus, this one is crossed out, beta. So I have d alpha over alpha. Then this one will be crossed out. So I have d alpha plus d beta is equals to 0. So I need to integrate individually. Integral, 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 then integral. So take note, integral of d beta over beta, that will be ln beta. This can be found in the formula, integral formula. So this is taught in integral calculus. Then this will be plus integral of d alpha over alpha, that will be also ln or natural logarithm alpha. Then plus integral of d alpha will be alpha. Then plus integral of d beta is beta. And then this will be constant. Okay? So I need to erase this one because I have a limited space on my whiteboard. Okay, so using our trigonometry, ln b beta plus ln alpha, we can write this one, or I can write this one ln beta and alpha. That will be multiplication. Then this will be plus alpha plus beta is equal to constant. Or I can arrange this one because this is letter B and letter A. So this will be ln alpha beta. Then this will be alpha plus beta is equals to constant. So I need to transpose this alpha and beta. So this will be ln alpha beta is equals to C. Then this will be minus, because this is plus, alpha. Then transpose beta to the right. This will be minus also beta. So I will multiply this one by E. Then this one also. So this will be crossed out. So this will be alpha beta is equals to C is equals to E raised to the negative alpha minus beta. So to simplify the exponent of this alpha and beta, so I could write in here alpha beta is equals to C E. I will factor the negative sign, so this will be negative alpha plus beta. So this is the answer for number 1. Now let's proceed to number 2. Number 2 is 1 plus ln x dx plus 1 plus ln y dy is equal to 0. Okay, so I need to distribute this dx to the circle bracket. So this will be dx plus, this will be plus ln x dx. Same with the second group, need to distribute. So this will be dy. Then plus ln y dy is equal to 0. Then I need to integrate individually. So this will be integral of dx, then integral of ln x dx plus integral of dy, then plus integral of ln y dy, and then this will be integrate 0. So integral of dx is x. How about this one? I need to use integration by parts. So this will be u will be ln x. Derivative of ln x is dx over x. This is taught in differential calculus. I think second year. Then need to write the dv. What's the dv? This one is dx. Then integrate both sides. So this will be v. And then integral of dx will be x. So the formula of integration by parts, uv minus integral v du. Okay, so what is u? U is ln x. Then v is x minus integral of v. This one will be x. Du is times dx over x. So this will be crossed out. So I have here, I can write in here x because multiplication is commutative. So I can write x before the ln x. So x ln x to make the proper. Then this will be integral of dx. So this will be x ln x minus x. So therefore, the answer for integral of ln x dx is x ln x minus x. Okay? So I need to erase because of the limited space on my whiteboard. So this will be plus x ln x minus x. Okay? How about integral of dy? So this will be y. Then plus. Again, I will use the integration by parts. This will be u is equals to ln y. Then derivative of ln y is dx. Sorry, dy I mean, because this is in terms of y. Dy over y. Then how about dv? From this equation, or a function I mean. So this will be dy. So integrating both sides, so this will be v. And this will be equal to y. So using the integration by parts, uv minus integral of v du. So u is ln y, then v is y, minus integral of v. V is y, and then du. Du is dy over y. So this will be crossed out. So I have, so arrange this one in a formal way. I could write this one as y, ln y, then integral of dy. So this will be y, ln y, minus y. So in here, sorry to erase this one. So this will be y, ln y, minus y. Okay? So what is the integral of 0? This will be constant. Okay, so x and minus x will be crossed out. Y and minus y will be crossed out. So I have here x ln x. Then plus y ln y is equals to c. So recalling our trigonometry, so this will be ln x raised to x, and then plus ln y raised to y is equals to c. Then in trigonometry, if this is plus, I could write this one as ln x to the x and then times y to the y is equals to c. So to eliminate ln or natural logarithm, I need to multiply by e. So this will be crossed out. So I have here x to the x and then y to the y is equals to ce. So that's all for this topic.